Hello students, today we will learn how to create a spreadsheet from the scratch. When we launched Excel 2016, the start screen is separated into two panes. It is the left side, it is the right side. On the right side, we are having optional templates like cash flow analysis, billing statement, blood pressure tracker. When we scroll down, we are having more templates. In the left side, we are having the list of recently opened or recently done documents. If none of the templates are matching to your desires, then you can go to the blank template, or you can search your template online. Here is the bar to search your template online. You can also click any of the links like business, personal, industry, and so on, and you will be suggested the searches to bring up and display a whole horde of templates of particular type. So for our project, let us open a blank workbook. Let us discuss doing the data entry in your worksheet. Let us rename it okay. To enter data in a worksheet, position the cell pointer in the cell where you want the data and then begin typing the entry. You just click on any cell and just start typing. Before you can position the cell pointer in the cell where you want the entry, the Excel must be in the ready mode. You can see in the status bar that the mode of your worksheet is ready. When you start typing entry, if you type here, then the mode will change from ready to enter. Look, it has changed from ready to enter. If you are not in ready mode, try pressing escape on your keyboard. If you can't see ready mode here before typing anything, then you can press escape from your keyboard to get into the ready mode. As soon as you begin typing into the cell, the characters that you type in a cell in the worksheet area, they appear on the formula bar near the top of the screen. You can see this. When you type here, you can see your entry here. As you continue to type, Excel displays your progress on the formula bar and in the active cell in the worksheet. And the intersection point appears only at the end of the characters displayed in the cells. You are also looking that cancel and enter button, they both are appeared in front of you when you type anything into your cell. to complete your cell entry, at the same time, you just press the enter button, or you can also press the enter key. This one, you can press the enter button, or you can also press, it is done, or you can also press the enter button from your keyboard. When you complete a cell entry with any of the keyboard keys, like if you press enter, press tab, press shift plus tab, or you press any arrow, then this only complete the entry in the current cell. Now there are some points which alternatives gets your text into the cell. Firstly, the point is if you select the enter button on the formula bar, then the text goes into the cell. If you press the enter key from your keyboard, the text goes into the cell and cell pointer moves down to the cell below the next row. We can have an example here. If you write something here and you click on the enter button, then it will complete your entry. But when you press the enter button from your keyboard, now I'm pressing the enter from your keyboard, yes, then the cursor will move to another cell. Third point is if you press one of the arrow keys, the text goes into the cell and the cell pointer moves to the next cell in the direction of arrow. If you press the downward arrow, your cursor will go to down. If you press the right arrow, the cursor will go to the right. Same for the left and for the upper side. If you press tab from your keyboard, the text goes into the cell and the cell pointer moves to the adjacent cells in the column on the immediate right. So these were the 4 methods from your keyboard which enters your data. It was, I'm repeating, it was enter from your keyboard, enter from formula bar button, tab and shift. They all are the ways by which you can move your cursor in the worksheet area. If typing an entry or after finishing typing, you realize that you are just about to stick it in the work cell, you can clear and deactivate the formula bar by selecting the cancel button. This one is a cancel button. If you're typing anything and you just want to cancel, you just press this button. The all thing will be cleared. It is more appropriate method than deleting from your keyboard. Thank you.